Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. Today I want to show you this device I got for blowing up balloons. We throw a lot of parties for our daughter, which just turned 11, and a lot of times they like to do those balloon art arches at the birthday party for pictures and stuff. That takes a lot of balloons. I don't have enough hot air to blow that up, even though it seems that way with all these videos that I do. So I went online and I found this right here. What I like about this is that it has an on and off switch where you can just turn it on. Or you can just use the balloon, place it over top of your nozzle and press down and it turns it on. Here, let me show you how it works. Well, anyways, let's try that again. If you like videos like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a lot. That quick and easy. At the last party that I did, I had to blow up about 200 balloons for the arch and for the different things that they had going on around the party. This made it a lot easier, and as you can see, these went very quickly and fast, gave me the ability to help with other things with the party. If you're interested in getting one, click the link down in the description. If you like videos like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a lot.